We can all agree that sometimes you want to eat good food, but you completely do not have the energy to get into that kitchen. So today I'll show you one stress-free meal, and it's a very simple meal. I'm pretty sure you're going to love it once you try it out. We are making some rice and potatoes, but the easiest way, and with me here I have my ingredients. So in this bowl I have my potatoes, some carrots, and some onion. Then I have some cooking oil, I have my rice, some salt, then I have my green capsicum, some tomato paste. You can also use tomatoes for this recipe. I have some garlic and some coriander. Then for the list of spices today, I have a seasoning cube. I have some chicken masala because I really love the taste of this as compared to beef masala. And finally, I have my garlic powder as well. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm back and I have my ingredients ready. I've already shredded my carrots. I have also washed my rice and dried it, and I've also cubed my potatoes, and I've also chopped my vegetables. So let's get started, and you have to trust the process. This is a recipe that I've tested several times and it always turns out great as usual. So you're basically going to be boiling this, but because you're going to spice it up, no one will know that you haven't fried your food. So we are basically going to be adding everything at once. Then we'll place it on the fire for about 12 to 15 minutes till the water is dry and our food will be ready. So this is something you can prepare when you do not have the energies and you do not want to eat boring food. So I'll proceed to add some salt. Just a small pinch will be okay. Then I'll go in with my garlic powder. And lately I've been falling in love with the taste of the garlic powder, so I'm just going to be a little bit generous. Then I'll add in my chicken masala as well, about half a teaspoon, and I'll crush in my beef cube. Then it's time to go in with water, and you can add hot or cold water, just works as fine as the other. And I'm going to measure 2 portions of water and 1 portion of rice, but because I have some raw potatoes, I'm just going to add just like a small amount to handle the potatoes. Then I'm going to mix this, and you can already see we have some little bit of color from the tomato paste. So I'm just going to do this till the tomato paste is well dissolved. So I think it is well dissolved. Then to add more color, I'll go in with my carrots. So once your carrots boil, it's going to have a very nice orange color. Then finally, I'm going to add in about 3/4 spoon of some cooking oil. Then this is ready to go to the fire. So I'm going to leave this covered for about 12 to 15 minutes, and I'll be back once my rice is fully cooked and the water is well drained. So this is about 12 minutes later. You can see that my pot is dry. All the water has dried up, as you can see. So let's also test if the potatoes are ready. And you can see how easily this goes through. That means our potatoes are well done. So I'm basically going to switch this off, then let it rest for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll see you for serving and tasting. Finally, you can see that my rice is ready, and you can also see mchele imetokea vizuri. So I'll give this a taste test. Wow. This tastes amazing. Guys, this is so good. You definitely have to try it out. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you can. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.